This video is about the Conditional Add Drop feature. Conditional Add Drop may be used when you wish to drop a course only if adding another course is successful. To start, open PATH, select the login icon in the upper right corner, and log in with your William & Mary credentials. Use the search fields on the left side to find and select the course you wish to add. Select the Add to Cart button at the bottom of the Course Details panel, choose the primary cart, then select OK. When the Registration Options panel opens, use the drop-down menu next to Conditional Drop to select the course you wish to drop, then select the Save Changes button. Note that only courses you are fully registered for appear in the drop-down menu. The course you have selected to conditionally add displays with a blue cart icon and a yellow triangle icon next to each other. The course you have selected to conditionally drop displays with a red dash icon and a yellow triangle icon next to each other. Select the Submit Schedule and Submit Registration buttons to attempt the conditional drop. If successful, PATH will display that one course was added to your schedule and will remove the dropped course from your primary cart. If unsuccessful, PATH will display error messages to indicate why, and no changes will be made to your registration. To successfully submit your conditional add drop, you cannot have active registration holds. If you have questions, undergraduate students may contact the University Registrar's Office. Graduate students may contact their Graduate Registrar's Office.